Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Gemma, welcome. Today I thought I would do a little bit of an Amazon haul for you. This lockdown I've been really good, really controlled. I haven't gone crazy buying things, but I did pick up a couple of bits and pieces for the salon, so I thought I would show you guys these today. So first thing that I ordered was a couple of different organisation pieces. If you guys watched my last video, which was a salon tour, you will know that my nail cupboard is a hot mess, as well as a couple of different areas in my salon. So I picked up some pieces to just help me organise those a little bit better. So the first thing that I picked up was a couple of these just sealable storage boxes. They're such a boring purchase, I know, but they're so essential, especially if you are trying to organise a lot of stock. So I use these in my stock room, office, whatever you want to call it. But they're the perfect size. You can just label them up. You can store a bunch of things in them. They are clear, which means you can still see exactly what's inside. And they're just tall enough that you are able to store bottles standing up. Next, I picked up these little MUJI drawers. These used to be on YouTube everywhere. Does anyone remember back in the day? And every beauty guru had these either in their bathroom or on their desk, by their vanity, wherever it was. Finally got some after all these years, but I thought these would go really nicely on top of my nail cupboard, and they're just kind of nice and thin. They're the perfect size to either put in like brushes or glitters, foils, anything like that. So I'm very happy with this one. Okay, so the final thing that I picked up was this set of little acrylic trays. It comes in a set of 21 and I think it was about $24.99, something like that. So that was a really good price. I was really happy with that. I used to go to Home Sense and buy a bunch of these little acrylic trays and I was paying like £6 or £7 per tray, which is just crazy. So I'm really, really happy with these. So it comes with 6 of these little square ones. It comes with 6 of these kind of longer rectangular ones. That'll be ideal for storing brushes. You get 6 of these half ones and then 3 of the larger rectangular ones as well. Okay, so going down the nail route, the first thing that I picked up was some of these gold leaf sheets. I've seen a couple of people using these on YouTube and I really like the look of them. So you get 300 sheets. I think for $10.99, which I don't think is that bad considering there's 300, and you get them in a copper shade, a silver shade and a gold shade as well. So very, very nice. I have already filmed a video using these. I don't know when it's going to go up. It might be before this one, it might be after this one, but I will leave it linked anyway down below. Next, I picked up a 4-pack of these little acrylic nail stands. I already have a couple of these, but they're really handy to just have on stock in the salon. They're fab if you want to do like display tips, or you're creating press-on nails, or you're just practicing nail art. I really like these to have for my students, so when my training academy is actually able to reopen, then I will have lots to go around. The next piece that I picked up was this nail art display stand. At the minute I'm using just like an empty photo frame and I don't really like to display things on that because I just feel like it's too flimsy and it might break. So I found this one and to be honest I'm not sure if I like it yet. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna give it a go and try it out. It's just metal and it comes with these little acrylic slides with magnets on it, so you can just clip it on. And then you have some double-sided sticky tape so you can stick all your nails onto there. But I don't know, I'm not sure if I like it or not. Let me know what you guys think of it. I'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. So the next thing that I picked up was one of these training heads. I already have a couple of these, but I've had so many inquiries about training courses over this lockdown that I just thought I'd better get another one just to make sure that I have enough for everyone when we are actually able to reopen. So this kit is awesome. They're amazing. I wouldn't say that the contents in the kits are the best. I would never use them on a client, but they are fantastic if you want to just practice lash extensions from home. So in the kit you get 5 masking tapes, 2 sheets of lash mapping stickers, 2 tweezers, 1 straight and 1 curved, a pack of false lashes, a lash applicating tweezer, a silicone pad, a bunch of glue rings, micro swabs, mascara wands, and 4 packs of individual lashes. These are all in 0.15 in a D curl, and they come in 8, 10, 12 and 14 millimeter. So it's an amazing starting point if you are trying to learn lash extensions. So the final lash product that I got, which is a little bit boring, is some of these makeup sponges. Now my plan for this was to lay out different lash designs, so different lengths, curls, styles, all of that kind of thing, for my clients to see when they are choosing their lash extension look, I guess. But they're also really handy to have on hand if you wanted to practice making fans or anything like that, or your placement when you are learning to do lash extensions. These are an amazing little tool and they're just so cheap. So the last product that I wanted to show you is something that I think is 100% essential if you work in a salon or you work in a job where you need to warm something up before you're able to use it. So for me, I have this little smart plug and I put this into my wax pot, and it just means that if I have a wax or a brow treatment booked in first thing in the morning, then I am good to go. I can get it hot and warming up before I'm even in the salon. It's really good actually. You can just control everything from your phone. You can even set a weekly timer, so if you know that you need a wax pot, for example, or I don't know, whatever it is that you need to heat up or warm, then you can just set the timer weekly on your phone so you know that you are always going to be covered and you're never going to get in and be like, oh my god, it's not warm, I can't do the treatment. So that's an essential one. I absolutely adore it. It comes in a pack of 4. I will leave that link down below with all the other things as well. So that's all I have to show you at the moment. I have no doubt that I will be buying a ton more stuff from Amazon very, very soon, since we now have a date to be able to reopen here in the UK. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, give the video a like because it helps me out big time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!